What's up, guys? This is Anthony from GSI Machining and Fabrication. You're watching AMD Garage.
Yes, you are. The C10 Nationals, and who do we bump into but Mike Losh from Slosh House? Mike, man, good to see you, brother.
You bump into me, and me bumping into you.
So, the first vehicle that I had your tubs in was my 67, well actually it was a 71, I skinned over as a 67 C10 Project Cetane with a diesel engine.
Of course.
And I just want to say thank you out loud because those fiberglass parts made a ridiculous custom project possible. So, power to you and your product line.
Thank you.
And what's really cool is seeing all the different stuff that you've got coming out now. Your product line is just ballooning, man.
We're trying.
How do you keep up?
I honestly don't know. I just work from 5 in the morning till 9 at night. That's all you do, 7 days a week, and you'll get there someday.
I'm a firm believer that if you love what you do, then it's not work at all.
Exactly.
Anyways, except for when it's a lot of hard work. But talk to me about some of the stuff you got coming. Like here we got the speaker boxes. These things look first class. They look great.
Yes, sir. I'm working with a partner of mine on these, and we are just bumping out the body style. So we started with 73 through 87.
Yeah.
Then went to 67 to 72, 60 to 66. We got 55 through 59 coming, and we got a new Ford coming. I think 67 to 79, I think is the Ford area that one covers. So
people may not understand
crazy.
how much time this saves. We all want a rockin' sound system in our vehicle, but this, I mean, you've got the nice beveling here, all the different designs, that each one has its own unique design.
Everybody thinks it's easy to pop a box in there, but to follow the contours of the cab, make it wrap in there, fit in there without moving your seats forward, it's a lot tougher than you think.
Fit and finish is superb on here. So this is ready for some spray glue and some leather, and now I've got a custom box.
Exactly.
So, wow, that's an amazing product. So what else?
So a lot of stuff we've been doing. We've been doing the Buddy Bucket seats. We've been doing those for several years, but we've really just taken off onto them the last couple years. We've had a couple good upholstery shops start doing a beautiful job. PG Upholstery and Paul Gomez Upholstery. Been doing some killer work for us and really making our seats pop. So then we started offering them in all the different years. So they started with, the original product for 67 to 72, and then we're 60 to 66, 73 through 87, just dropped the 88 to 98s and the 55 through 59s.
So you got your finger on the pulse of what's hot, but
we're trying.
You just brought back a flashback to me. I've got a 66 long bed C10. It's been in my family for years, ever since it was new, and I dailied that thing for about 5 years, going back and forth to collision shops way before all this stuff. And to try and find a place for a coffee cup in that truck with the massive body roll, I spilled so much hot coffee on my lap. I should have sued McDonald's. But you got cup holders, you got the individual buckets, and it's a bolt-in application, right?
Yeah, bolt-in the factory. You bringing up 66, that was actually the first year that GM offered that seat in a truck, was in 66 GMCs only. So yes, but we just take them and modernized them a little bit, but still, kept that original feel of them and everything to go with that.
Yeah, very cool. And of course, you had the transmission tunnels and the housings and the different tubs. How many different sets of tubs do you offer now?
I don't need.
I'm looking at.
We've got 8 at the moment, and I'm working on 2 new 60 to 66 versions, a mild version and a new taller version for 60 to 66 right now. So,
and again, it's a solution.
And another square body tub we're working on right now. So I guess we got 3 more coming.
That's great, man. I love to see that. I love to see your innovation. And tell me about this new aluminum radiator support.
So I'm really pumped about that. So Cloud9's rebirth, this time it's getting a supercharged LS engine. So
if you don't know Cloud9, look at his shirt. Right?
Yes, there it is. So anyway, it's getting a rebirth with a nasty engine this time, and the front core supports don't leave much room for bringing fresh air into that motor and forcing it into that motor. So we're making a new aluminum core supports with cutouts on the side to bring air straight in from that grill into some air boxes we're building. Got a custom radiator cover that'll be with it too, custom billet fan mounts for your electric fans. We got some really cool stuff coming for the 67 to
Man,
72s.
I can't wait to see it. I'm particularly excited about the buddy buckets for my 66. I got to tell you,
Yes.
I'm stoked, man. So, Mike, great to catch up with you,
you
buddy.
too. Thank you, sir,
we
very
have a
much.
wonderful show at the C10 Nats here, and thanks for watching AMD Garage. AMD Garage.
They're the best.
Yes.
My $150 truck with a title.
All you need is a VinTag.
Correct.
The VinTag and AMD, and you got everything else covered, right? So what did you want me to sign?
Glove box.
The glove box. No way. That's a coveted spot.
Makes me smile.
Are you going to get it under super shiny paint, or you're just going to get it roadworthy and just drive the heck out of it?
My plan is well, this is done already, but the plan is to have this whole bottom half.
Yeah.
Fireman's purple.
Okay, so that's kind of, there's the shadow of that on the other fender.
Yep.
Yeah.
And on my tailgate, I just did some little artwork on it. And like,
Yeah. So people always overlook the long beds. I like the long bed trucks. I've got a 66 C10 that's a long bed. It rides better. I can put more stuff in the back. So I love the fact that you're doing a long wheelbase on this truck. Very cool. Well, thanks for showing it to me, man.
you're welcome.
Pleasure
Nice
to meet
meeting
you. Yeah, nice to meet you too. Okay, this is some hotness right here. We got an LT4, everything, Hydro Boost setup, big beefy radiator. I love the fact that they've kept it satin black. It doesn't look retro or throwback, but it looks correct in here. It's not like it's out of the box or it looks weird. Super nice job, man, super clean. Look at the bodywork on that thing too.
It's really nice, right?
Yeah. Too cool.
Clean trim.
I knew this would happen. I'm going to go home and I'm going to work really hard on my 66.
Right.
Anyway.
Look back here, huh?
Oh, man. Beautiful. Look at the headliner. Somebody has put a ton of work into this. Yeah, nice wheel choice. Looks like staggered.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 20s, and I bet they're...
You can't go wrong with Forge Line, right?
No, that's top shelf stuff right there. I'm looking for a wheel size. It looks like 18 and 20s. I'm sorry, no, 19. So we got a bit of discrepancy, a bit of a, that manufactured, engineered rake. It just looks great.
So you've got a 66.
I've got a 66. You've got a 66.
I've got a 66.
Seems like I don't know.
The year the 66.
Year the 66.
2025.
Bam, high five.
Damn. We don't have those lights yet. I mean, it's like perfect. God dang. No, that's why I was like, wait a minute. Did I not start it?
Yeah.
99, super clean. He said, go start it. Keys are in it. Go start it. So I fired this thing up and I almost started it twice. Sounded like it wasn't even running. It's just so smooth, like a sewing machine. This sucker's clean, man. We're working on those. We're working on those.
235,000 on it.
No kid. Come on. This is what it's about, C10 Nationals. Out here having a good time, hanging out, enjoying it. Kevin's over here, he's fanboying. Oh yeah. This is what it's like walking around with Kevin and Eddie. Everybody's like, hey, I seen you, come over here, take a picture.